Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. Once you go over all the settings, you can then quickly toggle it on and off by simply tapping on that toggle. And as you can see, it's now enabled, and you can see it also here being enabled. Additionally, if you go with the scheduled route, as you can see there is one already pre-made for Saturday, Sunday. If you enable this schedule, you don't actually have to toggle it on and off from here. The device will do it automatically for you. Now, obviously you can create your own schedule, you don't have to use the preset one. So you could just click right here, select repeat, however many days you want it to repeat, and start and end time, and you should be set. So anyway, that is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.